So this is my SCHRADE knife. I've made some modifications to it because I did not like few things. As you may know, I don't like the coating on these knives, especially the SCHRADE. It's got very rough coating, so when you cut stuff with it, it sticks and it looks awful. I always take the coatings on carbon knives, and except on this knife, Pelton and Sisipuco, it's got very smooth coating. See, very nice and smooth. So this coating I'm leaving on. I like this knife. This is a great knife. I took this knife so I can have a knife that's a little tougher for chopping and stuff. I don't really use it much. Mostly I don't use it because it came with this shitty sheet. I don't like these sheets. I prefer leather or plastic or Kydex. So I took this coating off and I've made another handle because the original handle was very bad. It's got that flimsy rubber little inserts here that did not even go to the edge. So this metal, you would actually grab the metal, and when you try to chop with a knife, all the vibrations would go right into your hands. It was very bad. So I made this handle. I made it out of Bakelite. You know what Bakelite is? The material that's used for electrical stuff, and it was used before. I don't think it's used anymore. And for some jewelry or something, mostly from the 80s, I think. But I had a few plates of that, so I cut it up and made the handle, and I really like this handle now. It's pretty smooth, and it added some weight because the knife was not balanced. It flopped to the. It was top heavy. How would I say it? Top heavy. So you would, when you held the knife, you had to balance it, keep it up. And now it's a little more weight to this handle, so it's more balanced. I like this knife now. I will make maybe a leather sheet for it, so I can use it a little more. That's it.